boys? It's your boy Ja. Invite back on another video of the Beast Outside. You know, the X4M competition. Bring your eyes over here, bro. Bring your eyes over here. I'm about to do an unboxing video. We got the Rktunes intake right here. Y'all about to see what color I got. About to open this up. Sheesh. Open up these shits. We went with blue and yellow. You know, blue to match back my calipers. My blue calipers. Let me know if y'all messing with the color, if y'all like the color that I choose. Or I should have made another color. These are other stuff, like the brackets, to bracket them on. All the tools we need. Brother here with me, most wanted. He finna help me.
Yo, y'all know the vibe, you know. I'm about to do some crazy work to this X4M, you feel me? Just check the workout from today. You already know we installing the Rktunes intake. It's the first mod on the X4. Just stay tuned. Yeah, so you already know, we just gotta remove these little compartments. So we just get everything out of the way so the install and uninstall will be as easy as possible. So we just gonna remove these little compartments. We're removing these plastic pieces and then we're gonna take the bar off. As you already know, on the X4M and the X3M, this is actually the intake box. It's not only a cover, it's an intake box. So we gotta remove this whole entire piece right here. So now we're taking off the strut bar. So we just honestly, we're just clearing up a lot of space because you wanna make the install easy as possible. Same way we do on this side, same way you do on that side. So you already know it's four 13mm bolts, 2 on each side. Now the bar is ready to come out. Just like that, bar's out. So next step, we're gonna be taking out the grills, so as you know, we gotta work inside here as well. And after that, we're gonna be taking off the couplers and stuff. We gotta unscrew this. So it's gonna be one here, one here, and one here, and I believe one more on this side, which is right here. Yeah, stay tuned. Just like that, clean and perfect, no clips broken. Just take your time and wiggle. That one was way easier. See, front grills are out. We're gonna take these clips off. Just like that. Super easy. One. Just like that. So right here, for this one, you just squeeze the bottom. Just like that. Easy. Right here, inside. You just flick it up and pull out. Just like that. See? The bottom one should be easy. Should just be able to pour out just like that. So these are for like, one is to go here. One goes right here. One goes here. And you connect it. And the other one goes on the other side. Haven't installed it as yet.
Clean all this side right now. My boy sleeve looking right.
Yes, sir.
Open boy, yeah.
You hear me?
Wow! Wipe that bitch off before. Alright, we finishing it up right now. Alright, we just finished up. Boy, something mad good. It's like looking, you know what I mean? We about to put everything back together. We just finished. Arca did a thing with this one. Something crazy.